students, please don't lose this opportunity. Make use of this opportunity because the opportunities never come every day. If you take this as a very serious one, definitely this coaching is going to turn your life into the next level. Suppose if you ignore this particular coaching, then it will your path or your career go in the other direction. So definitely I appeal to all my city college students and also the students of other colleges, if at all there on the platform, make use of this program. Take this as a very serious program because these many faculty members, very expertise members, they are spending their time giving the coaching in the commerce. So definitely, I hope this particular program will go in a very successful manner. I also request the convener of the program, please make a note of it. We have a follow-up. Every day you take the list of the students who are attending for the program. And at the end, after the completion of the program also, we can take the feedback from the students. As well, once they appear in the examinations, the successful students' data can also be captured after this program. So definitely, I once again heartfully congratulating my head, Dr. Ratna Prabhakar Garu, the Commerce Department, as well all the faculty members of the Commerce Department for taking this particular initiative. Of course, we have also started one program under the leadership of Shirisha, that is for this coaching, which one? MBA and MCA coaching, ISET. For ISET also, we started one program that is also going on. So I request even the convener of that program, please take care of the follow-up. Follow-up is very much important once a program is being started. So take the follow-up, take the feedback of students, maintain the list of the students who are attending, and even whether they are again appearing for the entrance test or not, that also be to be tracked. Once they appeared, whether they succeeded or qualified in that, got the good ranks or not, that also to be taken. So that will give a good outcome of our program. So in this regard, once again, I congratulating the faculty members of the Commerce Department for starting this program. And I also thank on behalf of our students to the Mallaredi Garu and other professors who are going to join in this. And I also thank our academic guidance officer, Dr. D.T. Chari Garu, for giving his valuable time to spare on this program and also given this notice through the academic cell to the entire degree colleges also. So I thank the academic cell as well our team members from the Commerce Department. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Only one thing, students, there are many opportunities are there in front of us. It is our duty, it is our what do you call the way, whether we are choosing it or not. So it is the responsibility of you to take up the good path and go in a good way. So I thank one and all for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for briefing and introducing the students how the importance the coaching is required to the students. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request that resource person of today's program, Mallaredi sir. So on this occasion, before starting and giving the session to the sir, I would like to give a small glimpse about this sir. So sir is working as a assistant professor of commerce at Government Degree College, Agraharam. And he did his postgraduate from Kakatiya University, Warangal. And he received 3 gold medals from His Excellency Sushil Kumar Shinde, the governor, being topper in 2013 MCOM batch. And he was also awarded MPhil and PhD from Kakatiya University under the supervision of B. Venkatratnam, who was former VC of Kakatiya University. Sir has more than 17 years of teaching experience and 9 years of research experience. He has published more than 13 research articles, national as well as international journals. Sir has participated in 167 national, international conferences, webinars, workshops till now. And he also has a credit of 15 research papers which are been published in ISBN edited books. He is a co-author for 4 textbooks and also author for 4 textbooks of intermediate commerce books which are been published by Telugu Academy. He also published 26 articles in Eenadu newspaper and 45 editorial articles in leading Telugu newspapers. He has guided 5 Jignasa student study projects, out of which 3 were awarded at state level. Once its first, second, and third in 3 times out of 5. And he has received Best Teacher Award in 2021. And also he received ARA Outstanding Young Faculty Award in 2020. So this is the small glimpse about this sir, how the sir has achieved various books, and he has written various books. He has published his articles. So we welcome you, Mallareddy sir.
Thank you very much,
Sir,
madam.
yes, sir. Now
Yes.
I request sir to take up the session, sir. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much, Dr. S. Jansirani, madam, for your kind words about me. Thank you so much. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yes. Respected chairman of today's inaugural session of state level intensive MCOM coaching classes program, Dr. P. Balabhaskar sir, beloved principal of Government City College, Hyderabad, and today's chief guest of this program, Dr. D. Tiruvengalachari sir, AGO, Collegiate Commissioner of Collegiate Education, Hyderabad, and head of the Department of Commerce and Business Management, Dr. J. Ratnaprabhakar sir, and today's coordinator, Dr. S. Jansirani madam, and the convener of this program, Gajendra Babu, PGK Garu, and co-convener, Dr. K. Mallikarjuna Rao sir, and the entire organizing committee members, and my dear students, a very good evening to one and all. This is Dr. Mallareddy, Assistant Professor of Commerce, presently working at Government Degree College, Agraharam, which is in Rajanna Sirsila district. So, dear students, I think you have all, first and foremost, I would like to congratulate P. Balabhaskar sir for initiating such a needful and need of the hour program to help the students to get good ranks in MCOM entrance coaching and entrance examination. And I would like to congratulate entire Department of Commerce and Business Management for initiating such a good program which will help the students to get the good ranks in MCOM entrance. And I would like to thank, especially, I would like to thank Dr. K. Mallikarjuna Rao sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my views on MCOM syllabus. So thank you very much, sir. And coming to students, my dear students, we have only 11 days left to appear for an entrance examination. So as all of you know that this MCOM entrance is scheduled on 19th of August. That is from 9:30 to 11 a.m. in the morning. So that is already decided by the Usman University. So therefore, it is the right initiative to make some revision which you have already prepared earlier. So therefore, it will be useful like a revision of all the subjects mentioned in MCOM entrance syllabus. So therefore, in that way, you have to utilize this opportunity and get good rank. So with these few words, and now let me share my PPT to make you aware of the syllabus. Madam, can I share my PPT?
Sir, you can, sir.
Yeah, yes. I think it's visible to all.
Perfect, sir.
Yes. So, my dear students, as part of my presentation, I am going to tell you about entrance examination pattern and what is the syllabus meant for MCOM entrance and what are the preparation tips, how you have to prepare, what kind of concept you have to focus on, and what are the reference books you need to refer to get a good rank in the MCOM entrance examination. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. So now, and my dear students, At the end of the session, you can interact with me. You can get clarification of your doubts. So we will try to clarify all of your doubts. You try to ask me any kind of doubts. And coming to the first and foremost important point of the MCOM is, so this MCOM course is for 2 years duration. I think everybody knows that. Coming to minimum qualification, I think I need not to tell about the minimum qualification because every one of you have already applied for the MCOM. You have already submitted your application. So there is no need to discuss about this point. Coming to left-hand side, we have various specializations in MCOM. So we have almost 7 universities in Telangana state. Almost all the universities are offering MCOM with different specializations. Now let us have a look at the different types of specialization in MCOM. The first one is MCOM General. So when it is possible, after getting admission into a particular college, then you will have options. You will have chance to select one of the specializations in MCOM. So that is MCOM General available, and MCOM Information System, that is being offered by the Usman University. It is one of the excellent course. So if you get a good rank in MCOM entrance examination, you can choose this MCOM IS. And MCOM E-commerce, and coming to other one is MCOM Computer Applications, and MCOM Insurance and Banking, and MCOM Financial Accounting, MCOM Travel Tourism Management. So these are the specializations being offered by 7 universities in Telangana state. So according to your rank, you can choose any one of these specializations. So that is about the specializations in MCOM. Now, coming to what are the universities participating in this CPGET MCOM entrance? Not only MCOM, so for all the subjects. So there are 8 universities which are participating in CPGET entrance examination. Out of 8, 7 universities are offering MCOM courses. So what I just now I told you different specializations. So all these 7 universities are offering different specializations in MCOM. So these participating universities are, as you know very well, about Usman University, Hyderabad, Kakti University, Warangal, and Telangana University, Nizamabad, Mahatma Gandhi University, Nalgonda, Palamur University, Mahabubnagar, and Shatavan University in Karimnagar. And there is no MCOM course being offered by JNTU. So therefore, coming to other university, that is Telangana Mahila Vishwavidyalayam, Hyderabad. As all of you know that very recently, the Koti Women's College has been upgraded as university, Telangana Mahila Vishwavidyalayam University. So my dear students, try to get a top rank in order to get seat in the university colleges. If you get seat in the university colleges, then your career will be advanced very fastly, and you will get a good employment opportunity in future. So therefore, try to work hard to get top rank in MCOM entrance examination. So this is something about the participating universities. And coming to most important part of this awareness is examination pattern. I think every one of you very well know about the examination pattern. So the CPGET MCOM entrance examination will be conducted with 100 multiple choice questions for 100 marks. That means each question carries 1 mark. So therefore 100 into 1 is equal to 100 marks. So as far as the time of the duration of the examination is concerned, you will be given 90 minutes time. That means 1.5 hours. So you have to finish your examination within 1.5 hours time. And what is the mode of examination? So my dear students, it is not an offline examination. It is conducted through online. So that is, it is conducted through online, like computer-based test, CBT test. So in hall ticket, they will clearly mention that in designated test centers, it will be conducted computer-based test. So that is the mode of examination. And in the previous session, most of the students asked me, what is the minimum cutoff marks or minimum qualifying marks in MCOM entrance examination? So my dear students, 25% of the marks are decided as minimum qualifying marks for the MCOM entrance test. But getting 25% of marks in MCOM entrance test is not a difficult task. You don't focus on minimum qualifying marks. You focus on getting a top rank. So therefore, the 25% is minimum marks for open category candidates, EWS and BC category. However, for SC, STs and PHC candidates, that is physically handicapped candidates, there will be no minimum cutoff marks. So this is something about the examination pattern. So we have discussed 100 bits per 100 marks, and it is conducted through online computer-based test, and minimum qualifying marks are 25%, means 25 marks. So this is about examination pattern. I think I am clear as of now. Madam, can students unmute and speak to me? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Now we have reached to a place where we will discuss about the MCOM syllabus. So this is very important for you. If you understand syllabus, what is the prescribed syllabus, then only you can prepare very well for the MCOM entrance examination. Now I am going to focus on the MCOM entrance syllabus. Right. So this is the syllabus. So here MCOM entrance syllabus has been divided into two parts. That is part A and part B. The part A contains 40 marks. That means under part A, 4 broad subjects are covered, and under part B, 6 subjects will be covered. So that is for 60 marks. And coming to part A, so there are 4 important subjects. The first subject is business laws, from which 10 multiple choice questions will be given in the examination for 10 marks. The second most important subject is financial accounting. So that is also for 10 marks. And coming to third important subject, corporate accounting for 10 marks. And the fourth subject has been divided into 2 subparts. That is, part A deals with the auditing subject. Part B deals with the information technology. So from auditing, 5 multiple choice questions will be covered for 5 marks. And at the same time, from the information technology, earlier it was called as FIT, Fundamentals of Information Technology, from which 5 questions will be asked for 5 marks. So that is about the part A for 40 marks. Coming to part B, that is for 60 marks. So under part B, the 5th subject is business economics. I think you might have studied in first semester and second semester in the previous batch, but for 6th semester, for this present batch, you might have studied in the 5th semester, business economics. So from which 10 multiple choice questions will be covered. And coming to next subject, that is BOM, business organization and management. And 7th subject is business statistics. You have studied in second year as part of 3rd semester and 4th semester. And coming to another subject, that is banking and financial institutions and markets. So from which 10 questions will be asked. So these are the 8 subjects from commerce stream. So out of 10 subjects, 8 subjects are covered from commerce syllabus, and the remaining 2 subjects related to general studies. That means the 9th subject deals with the general English. In order to test your English proficiency, so 10 bits will be asked from general English. So what are the specific topics in general English? We will discuss separately. And the last subject, that is general knowledge and current affairs. So 10 questions will be asked from this topic. So that is the 10th one. So this is the an overview about the MCOM entrance examination syllabus. Now we will discuss the specific topics given under each subject and how the question will be asked. I will show you now. Right? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you very much. Now, let us discuss about the part A that contains 40 marks. So under part A, the first and foremost important subject, that is business laws. So from which I told you that 10 questions will be asked for 10 marks. The specific topics covered from the business laws are, let us look at the law of contracts, including essential elements of valid contract, contingency contracts, performance, discharge, breach and remedies for breach of contract, special contracts, including bailment contracts, agency contracts. So up to here, the topics are covered from Indian Contract Act 1872. So you need to focus on very key aspects, key concepts of Indian Contract Act 1872. So key elements, key concepts, and the year of the act, and other important cases in contract. So these are the various points you need to focus on. And another important aspect in business laws is Sale of Goods Act. Sale of Goods Act is 1930. So from Sale of Goods Act, the aspects covered here is conditions and warranties. So these are the two simple aspects covered from Sale of Goods Act, that is 1930. And one more interesting specific topic given under business laws is Consumer Protection Act. My dear students, Consumer Protection Act is 1996. Right, my dear student, please mute yourself. Right. Earlier, the Consumer Protection Act was 1986, but it has been repealed and it has been replaced with the latest act, that is Consumer Protection Act 2019. So according to latest act, you have to prepare. So Consumer Protection Act, district, state, and national level councils. So there are three commissions, that is district commission, state commission, national level commission. What are the limitations for the compensation? District level commission limitation is what, and state level commission limitation is what. So in that way, you have to prepare according to latest Consumer Protection Act 2019. And one more interesting topic in business laws is Companies Act. Actually, it is not 1956, it is 2013. So that was mistakenly printed. So you have to prepare latest Companies Act 2013 rules and regulations. So the Companies Act covers, that is including appointment, duties, and powers of directors. So very limited topics were given here. So this is all about the business laws. Then you have to focus on the important points, that is Indian Contract Act and Year of Act, Sale of Goods Act, and one more interesting act is Consumer Protection Act 2019 and Companies Act 2013. So like this, you have to focus on more important aspects. So then in what way the question will be asked? Now let me show you one question from the previous paper, that is MCOM 2021 paper. This was asked in MCOM 2021 paper. Now let us look at the question. The damages claimed in case of breach of contract to marry or dishonor of a check by a banker wrongfully are known as. And the options given here are, the first one is ordinary damages, second one special damages, third one exemplary or vindictive damages, and fourth one is nominal damages. The right option is exemplary or vindictive damages. So like this, the various questions will be covered from the business laws. So in order to make you understand about the type of questions, I have given you this example. Now let us move on to the next subject, that is financial accounting. I think everybody loves to learn this subject. Financial accounting is one of the most favorite subject of most of the commerce students. So from financial accounting also, 10 multiple choice questions will be covered for 10 marks. So what are the specific topics you need to focus while preparing for entrance examination? Now let us look at. The first one is Introduction to Accounting, including accounting concepts and conventions. My dear students, there are 10 concepts and 4 conventions from which at least one question will be covered in upcoming MCOM entrance examination. Even if you look at the previous papers, in every entrance paper, one question from accounting concepts or conventions will be covered. So please focus on these concepts and conventions. And coming to accounting process, journalizing, posting to ledger accounts, and the subsidiary books. We all know about the number of subsidiary books. Please briefly prepare all the 8 subsidiary books, including cash book. And coming to most important topic is bank reconciliation statement. My dear students, definitely one problem will be covered from the bank reconciliation statement. Either it may be under favorable balance or it may be from unfavorable, that is overdraft balance. You try to prepare concepts and causes for the difference between cash book bank balance and passbook balance. So try to learn the problems as well. So that is also one of the most important topics. And preparation of trial balance, final accounts. So definitely one question will be covered from final accounts. In what way? So cost of goods sold problem will definitely be asked in the entrance examination. Apart from that, you need to focus on bad debts, provision for bad debts, and the provision for discount on debtors. So like this, you need to focus. And one more interesting topic from final accounts is calculating the manager's commission. That is also very important from the final accounts. And the other topics are errors and rectification, consignment. From consignment, they may ask us about the invoice price problem. The next, joint ventures, depreciation and reserves, single entry, and non-trading concern. When you talk about the non-trading concern, definitely one question will be on subscriptions. So they will ask us to find out the subscriptions to be shown in the income and expenditure account. So they will give us 4 adjustments and they will ask us to find out the subscription amount to be shown in the income and expenditure account. So from that angle, you have to prepare. And other topics are partnership accounts, including admission, retirement, death of partner, dissolution of a firm. So these partnership accounts are from advanced accounting. You have learned in the semester 3. And the last topic in financial accounting is company accounts, including issue of shares and debentures, forfeiture of shares. So one question can be expected from the forfeiture of shares and the reissue of forfeited shares and the redemption of debentures. So these are the specific topics mentioned under financial accounting from which 10 bits will be asked. And the student may get one doubt here. Sir, what kind of questions will be covered? How many problems will be covered from financial accounting? My dear students, let me tell you, at least when we analyze the previous papers, at least 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 problems will be covered, especially from the accounting or problem related subjects. So try to prepare all the short problems for this MCOM entrance examination. Now let us look at one example question that was asked in the previous paper. Right. So this is the question that was asked in MCOM entrance 2021. Contingent liability is shown in the balance sheet as per which convention? So options are 1, convention of consistency, convention of disclosure, convention of conservatism, convention of materiality. My dear students, the option is convention of full disclosure. According to this convention, the contingent liability information will also be shown in the balance sheet. So like this, the questions will be covered from financial accounting. Right. Now let us move on to the next important subject, that is corporate accounting. So this is also one of the most interesting and important subjects and one of the scoring subjects in MCOM entrance syllabus. So that is corporate accounting. It covers company final accounts, issue of bonus shares, acquisition of business, and profit prior to incorporation. And from company final accounts, they may ask any kind of question. From bonus shares also, they will cover some questions. And coming to accounting standards. So here I would like to tell you one important thing. Now, presently IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, are being adopted by companies. So in India also, most of the companies are adopting IFRS. So they are called as IND AS, means Indian Accounting Standards. When they mention IND AS, you need to understand that they are IFRS. So therefore, you need to focus on latest IFRS being adopted by Indian companies. So try to focus on that. and the need, importance, overview of Indian accounting standards. So these are the important points that would be covered from accounting standards chapter. And one more interesting topic is valuation of goodwill, need and methods, valuation of shares, need for valuation, and methods of valuation. Here, once again, I would like to tell you is one question, one problem will be covered from valuation of goodwill or methods of valuation of goodwill, and one more problem will be covered from valuation of shares. So try to practice problems from 3 methods in valuation of goodwill and 3 methods in valuation of shares. So they are very, very important. So if you practice well, you can answer well in the examination. The next one is bank accounts, legal provisions, preparation of final accounts. So as all of you know that bank accounts, I think BCom computer application students might have not studied this subject in degree level, because this subject is covered for general students only. So therefore, the computer application students should prepare the subject carefully. So otherwise they will lose some marks. So bank accounts are very important. So there are 2 financial statements, that is a balance sheet and profit and loss account. So there are some schedules. In balance sheet, there are 12 schedules. In profit and loss account, there are 4 schedules. You try to prepare schedule number, because definitely one question will be covered from the bank accounts, that is related to schedules covered in the final accounts of banks. So that is very important for you. And accounts of insurance companies, amalgamation, reconstruction. So these are, they have already mentioned, simple problems will be covered in the examination. So now let us look at the sample question that was given in the previous entrance examination. So that is schedule 13 of bank accounts indicates. So bank ఖాతాలో 13 schedule దేన్ని సూచిస్తుందని ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చారు. The first option is interest and discount earned on advance and bills. Second one, commission, exchange and brokerage. Third one, profit on sale of investment. Fourth one, profit on revaluation of investment. The first option is the correct option for this. Schedule 13 indicates about the interest earned by the banks. So that is the correct answer. So in this manner, they will ask us the questions in the entrance examination. Coming to 4th subject under part 1. So the 4th subject is divided into 2 parts. Part A deals with the auditing. So auditing is the theoretical subject from which 5 questions will be covered. The specific topics mentioned under auditing are types of audits, personal qualities of an auditor, audit program, organizational watching and verification, internal control, internal check, internal audit, and valuation of various assets and liabilities. And my dear students, and one more topic is audit report. Then what kind of points you have to focus on? Here you need to remember and try to read sections and different kinds of audit reports and key features, some advantages, disadvantages, and the key concepts like internal control, check, and internal audit. So like this, you have to focus on so that you can answer very well in the entrance examination. So very limited topics were given under auditing because the syllabus is covered for only 5 marks. Coming to part B of the 4th subject, that is information technology. So that is FIT. The topics covered are elements of computers, DOS, Windows operating system, word processing, spreadsheet, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. So these are the very limited topics were given under information technology. So that will be covered for 5 marks. Now let us look at one sample question from each subject. Right. So the first question is related to auditing. The first auditor after incorporation is appointed in a listed company by, one is board of directors, managing directors, registrar of companies, comptroller, and auditor general. The first option is the correct option, that is board of directors. So like these questions will be covered. And coming to IT, the question which is related to information technology, that is transition of static images in PowerPoint presentation is known as? One is PowerPlay, second one slideshow, third one image movement, fourth one animation. Animation is the correct option for this question. So like this, questions will be covered from auditing and information technology. Students, am I clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. So now, so far we have completed part A that covers 40 marks. Now we will begin part B. So under part B, the fifth subject is business economics. So it is also very important, and it will play a vital role in getting a good rank in MCOM entrance examination. So try to prepare the subject carefully. So what are the specific topics given under business economics? They are introduction to economics, nature, scope and importance, including micro and macroeconomics, demand, supply and market equilibrium, factors of production, law of variable proportion, law of returns to scales, isocost and isoquant, cost and revenue analysis. And my dear students, let me tell you one important thing while preparing the business economics is always try to prepare business economics with charts only, with diagrams, so that you can remember the points very easily. So for every concept, there is a diagram. Therefore, so by analyzing the diagram, if you prepare, you can remember the key points. So that is important advice from me. So let us look at one sample question that was covered in the previous paper. Increase in demand is indicated by the shift of demand curve to the. So when there is an increase in demand, the demand curve shifts towards right. So the first option is the correct option. That is the right. Second one is left. Third one is vertical. Fourth one is horizontal. So like these questions will be covered in business economics. The next subject is business organization and management. So it is also one of the most favorite subjects of most of the students. So that is BOM. So the specific topics covered from BOM are concepts of business, industry, commerce, trade, and forms of business organizations. There are different forms of business organization: sole trader, partnership kind of business, and giant Hindu family kind of business, cooperative business, giant stock companies. So like that, you have to focus on giant stock company. So next part is related to management. Management, different approaches to management and functions of management, planning and organizing, delegation of authority and centralization. So here you need to focus on key features, advantages, disadvantages, minimum and maximum numbers from different forms of business organizations and companies. So while preparing the company chapter, you have to prepare according to the latest Companies Act 2013 only. So that is you need to remember here. Now let us look at the sample question that was given from the BYM. So which of the following are true in case of articles of association? So articles of association is one of the most important document of giant stock company. So here they are giving some options. The first one, it helps the company in internal management. It is also known as doctrine of indoor management. It contains clause about the permitted activities that can be taken up by company. And the fourth one is, it is helpful for outsiders in knowing about the company. The first 2 points are related to articles of association. The second 2 points are related to memorandum of association. Therefore, the 1 and 2 options are the correct option for this question. So like this, they will ask you some important questions from the business organization and management. The next one, the next subject is business statistics. So which is also most important and it is a scoring subject for you if you prepare very well. Now let us look at the specific chapters or topics covered under business statistics. That is introduction of statistics, meaning, limitations of statistics, collection of data, primary and secondary sources, classification, tabulation and diagrammatic presentation of data, data analysis, interpretation of tables and graphs, measures of central tendency, mode, median, and arithmetic, geometric, and harmonic mean, measures of dispersion, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, and standard deviation. Next one, Carl Pearson and Bowles measures of skewness, simple correlation and regression analysis, analysis of time series, includes trend analysis and seasonal variations. And the last one is index numbers, including time and factor reversal tests of price index numbers. So these are the specific topics. So one advice to all the students is, while preparing the business statistics, try to note down all the important formulas of various methods in different kinds of chapters. Like that, measures of central tendency, there are various methods for mean, mode, median. So try to note down all the formulas so that you can prepare frequently and you can remember these formulas that can be applied in the examination to find out the answer. So here, my sincere advice to all the students is practice short problems. So from each and every chapter, you have to practice the short problems so that you can answer very well. The sample question in the previous paper, that is, given mean is equal to 25.67 and median is equal to 21.10, then mode would be, what would be the mode? So they have given us mean value and they have also given us median value. Now we have to find out the mode value. So for this, there is a formula. The formula is mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. That is 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 into 21.10 minus 2 into 25.67. So therefore 63.3 minus 51.34. The answer is 11.96. So that is the fourth option is the correct option for this. So if you practice all the short problems by remembering all the formulas, you can solve the problems like this. So this is the sample question that was covered from business statistics. Now, eighth subject. So this is the last subject from commerce syllabus. That is the eighth. I think BCom computer application students might have not studied this subject at degree level because it was covered for general only. So that is banking and financial institutions and markets. So the topics are types of banks, banking system in India, functions, emerging trends in commercial banks in India, money market, debt markets, and equity markets, banker and customer relationship, consequences of wrongful dishonor, loans and advances. Very limited topics were given under this subject, and you need to focus on all the aspects. So here you need to remember the year of establishment of a particular type of bank, different banks in India, and the latest. While preparing this subject, you have to combine with current affairs only. So questions will be covered based on current affairs only. Therefore, you need to focus on current affairs as well. So the sample question given in the previous paper is regional rural banks have been founded in the year. So the correct option is 1975. So like this, questions will be covered from this subject. So that is banking and financial institutions and markets. So far we have covered the 8 subjects from commerce stream. Now we are going to discuss about the other general subject, that is general English, and the next subject is general awareness and current affairs. Now here the general English. So in order to test the proficiency of the students in English, they are going to ask you 10 questions from the English subject. The specific topics given under general English are synonyms, antonyms, and comprehending a passage, that is understanding a passage and answering the questions based on the passage, and the report writing, types of reports, parts, contents, and format of report, business report and academic report, essentials of good report writing. Very limited topics are there. You try to focus on. One sample question has been given here. What is the meaning of word stagnant? The stagnant meaning is static. So like this, different questions will be covered from this topic. Coming to next subject, that is very interesting subject. So that is last subject in a MCOM entrance syllabus, that is general knowledge and current affairs. So general knowledge, when you talk about the general knowledge, most people think that general knowledge means geography, history, economy, polity, and science and technology. But my dear students, try to remember that general knowledge which is related to commerce and business management only. So not related to geography, history, economics. You have to focus only commerce and business related general knowledge. Like Bombay Stock Exchange established in which year? Like that you have to focus. That is stock GK related to commerce and business management. And one more interesting topic is current affairs. So when you talk about the current affairs, for how many days you have to cover the current affairs? So you need to prepare for the past 6 months to 1 year period. You have to try to prepare current affairs for the last 6 months very rigorously and try to cover for the last 1 year also. So, and this current month is also very, very important. From the current month, most of the current affairs may be covered. So one sample question has been given here, that is NSE, National Stock Exchange head office is located at. It is located at Mumbai. So like this, the general knowledge questions which are related to commerce and business will be covered in the examination. And the current affairs, when you look at the current affairs related questions, the question would be like this: who is the current chairman of Niti Aayog? So the current chairman of the Niti Aayog would be Prime Minister of India. Now our Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. He is the chairman of Niti Aayog. So like this, the general knowledge and current affairs questions will be covered. So my dear students, so far we have finished 10 subjects that are meant for MCOM entrance examination. We have clearly discussed point to point. And finally, I would like to tell you the reference books. And these are the books that will help you to gain more knowledge in a particular subject and to get good rank in the MCOM entrance examination. But how far you will prepare all these books? It will be very tough because time will be very less. You have only 11 days, but it is not possible to go through all the reference books which I am mentioning here. But try to go through the multiple choice questions mentioned towards end of every chapter. So that is my suggestion. Let us quickly look at the reference books. For business laws, you can go through the Telugu Academy. In Telugu Academy, after every chapter, at the end of every chapter, they have given us multiple choice questions. You can directly prepare those questions. And other author is N.D. Kapoor, that is Tulsian publication. For financial accounting, you can go through the Telugu Academy books or else S.P. Jain and K.L. Narang book. You can follow. And for corporate accounting, you can also go through the Telugu Academy book or else S.P. Jain and K.L. Narang. So that is from Kalyani Publishers. Or if you want to go further, you can also refer R.L. Gupta and Radha Swami book. For auditing, R.G. Saxena, T.N. Tandon and Basu S.K., that is Himalayan Publishing House. That is the publisher. And information technology, Chetan Srivastava sir, that is from Kalyani Publishers. The remaining books are for business economics. You can go through the D.M. Mitani from Himalaya Publishing House. And the next subject, that is BOM, Sharma and Shashike Gupta. This is the wonderful book that is available in the market. You can comfortably prepare each and every concept. And after completion of every chapter, you will have multiple choice questions. You can prepare. And next one, business statistics, that is SP Gupta and SC Gupta. And my dear students, you might have followed RP Trivedi book. So in RP Trivedi book, very short answer bits are there. You try to practice all those bits. And for banking and financial institutions and markets, that is Shashike Gupta, Nisha Agarwal, and Niti Gupta, that is from Kalyani Publishers. And for general English, Renan Martin, it is a specialized book for competitive general English. You can go through, or else you can prepare your degree level textbooks also. And the last subject is general knowledge and current affairs. So any standard book. Actually, there is no particular standard book on GK which is related to commerce and business management. You try to prepare these points from different standard books. And for current affairs, try to read daily newspapers, that is Hindu or Inadu newspaper, or else you go through the monthly magazine, like one famous magazine is there. So like Vijayata competition or else other competitive magazines are there. You simply go through those magazines in order to avoid noting down all the important points. So these are the reference books for each and every subject. Right. So which book? If I want to suggest you one book for quick revision for practice, I'm very happy to suggest you MCOM entrance book published by the Vijayata competition. So it is a passport for your success. Try to go through this book. There are many model papers given in that book. Try to practice every one model paper every day, so that you will be able to assess yourself where you are standing, how many marks you are getting while practicing the model papers, that you can judge yourself. So if at all further you want to prepare, then you can go through the MCOM Commerce Entrance Examination published by Unique Publishers. Further, if you want to go further, you can also go through the Commerce Multiple Choice Bits book. There are 2000 plus MCQ questions in Commerce book, that is from Kanna Publishers. So these are the reference books readily available for you, and I can strongly suggest this book for you for quick preparation and quick revision. So my dear students, at the end of my presentation, I would like to suggest you prepare well and listen to the lectures arranged by this program, Intensive MCOM Entrance Coaching Classes. Don't miss any lecture. So each day, an expert will speak on a particular subject. He will cover all the important bits from particular subject. That will help you to get the good rank in the MCOM entrance examination. So from my side, I wish you all the best. And my dear students, very recently I have launched a YouTube channel especially for commerce. I have prepared many videos on MCOM entrance syllabus subjects. So I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. If at all you have any time, kindly watch my videos also. So thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Madam, over to you, madam.
Good evening, sir. Mallareddy, sir.
Sir, sir.
AGO sir will join within 5 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Please ask the students any questions, any queries.
Yes, sir. That would be better. Yes, sir. Yes, students, unmute and ask if you have any doubts.
Sir, can you share your YouTube link to this chat box?
Let me tell you, my YouTube channel is MMR Commerce Academy. MMR Commerce Academy. If you search in the YouTube search bar, you will find it out. So wherein I have posted a video on MCOM awareness. The next one, previous paper analysis. I have analyzed 2021 MCOM paper in 2 parts. Part 1 covered 1 to 50 question. In part 2 video, I have covered 51 question to 100 question. You can comfortably watch. So I have clearly explained each and every bit there. So you can watch that videos.
Sir, is there any negative marks for this exam?
No. Yes. You have asked the right question. So there will be no negative marking in CPGATE examination. And one more interesting thing is that you might have observed in question pattern. This MCOM entrance test will be conducted in both media. That is in English as well as in Telugu medium also. If at all any Telugu medium students are there, you can comfortably understand the questions in Telugu medium. Right, Amma. There will be no negative marking. Any other specific questions, please? Dear students?
Students, any doubts?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
Sir, for how many marks I'll get seat in OU campus, sir? Is it caste related or marks related? What is the cutoff like?
Yes, definitely. While admission, it is according to category. There will be some open category seats, and according to reservation also 50% open and 50% according to reservation. But you have to get below 50, below 100. If you get below 100 rank, you will land in Usmania University in the Department of Commerce and Business Management. Or else, if you are a woman, you can land in Koti Women's College. That is Telangana Mahila Vishwavidyalayam, recently upgraded as university. So, okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
So
in
try to
MCOM, there is a MCOM IAS, MCOM some option, right? Which option is better for getting job, sir?
A job. MCOM IAS is very demanded course. Those students who get top ranks will definitely opt for MCOM IAS, Information Science. So that is introduced for this year. So it is being offered by Usmania University. If you get seat in MCOM IAS, definitely you will get a good job with attractive package in multinational corporations.
Sir, do you have any material, sir, for after completion of tomorrow class? Do you share our students, sir? Any?
Yes, sir. Definitely, I have material. PPT is there. Sir. That PPT, I have prepared a video on that PPT. I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. Sir. They can watch that video also. Tomorrow also, I am going to explain the same PPT as part of my class, sir. That is financial accounting.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is MCOM taxation group is available in Usmania University?
Yes. Taxation, MCOM taxation is available in almost all the universities, colleges and constituent colleges and affiliated colleges as well. So that is available.
Sir, which course is better? Like, is it MCOM taxation? Is it MCOM accountant financing, insurance and banking? What we should choose, sir? Which is better?
According to your interest, in which area you are very much particular, in which area you are very much interested, according to your desire, you can choose the particular course. For example, e-commerce will help you to get a good job because e-commerce business is growing day by day. So that will offer a number of employment opportunities. Like that, every specialization has its own advantages. So therefore, you can get good employment opportunities.
Sir, do MCOM banking and insurance can get me a job in any bank, sir?
No. Banking recruitment is quite different from that of the normal PG courses. If you want to get selected for that bank manager or this, you have to appear for the IBPS examination only. So this MCOM banking and finance may not fetch you any kind of bank jobs, but you can get jobs in the multinational corporations or any other companies. So both are different.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, while doing MBA or MBA also, can we do MCOM?
Yes, you have asked a very, very good question and very relevant to the present time. Very recently, UGC has introduced a dual degree program. So that means a student can pursue 2 programs at a time. But how far it is possible for a student to pursue 2 programs at a time? So if you want to pursue MBA, you try to pursue that MBA in a regular mode. And if you pursue MCOM at the same time, you try to go for distance mode so that you can complete dual degrees at a time without wasting any time. You can complete. That facility has been given by University Grants Commission. That is dual degree program. But if you want to study both courses in a regular mode, it is not possible. Okay, got it? My point?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You can pursue both according to latest initiation of the UGC. Okay, ma'am.
Sir, these lessons are in YouTube, sir. If the students have gone through in those are not attended also, they can watch the videos.
Yes, sir. They can comfortably watch. All these lessons are available. Videos are available on my YouTube channel. Sir, I will share my video links to you, sir. In turn, you share all those videos in the group, students group. So
Sure, sir.
Please, students, try to subscribe to my channel so that whatever video I prepare and upload on my YouTube channel, so the notification will reach you so that you can watch whenever you have time.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other specific questions?
Sir, can you tell about the MBA courses or MCOM courses, sir?
Which is better one? You have asked very right question. I have prepared a video on MCOM versus MBA. Which is better one? Actually, both courses are better. But according to your expectation, according to your future employment, you can choose either MCOM or MBA. And according to latest program, you can pursue both courses. But when we look at very latest notification, latestly, the Telangana government has identified degree college lecturers, particularly for business administration, that is BBA course. For BBA course, those PG students who have completed MBA, they are eligible for degree college lecturers for BBA, that is business administration. Sometimes commerce, if the commerce DLs are there, for commerce DLs, those who have completed MCOM course with 55%, they are eligible for DLs. Of course, with NET or SET or PhD. So these are certain conditions. So according to my view, both courses are right courses, but according to your requirement and future employment, you have to decide on one particular course. So the on this topic also, I have prepared a video and uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can go through it. I have differentiate between these MCOM and MBA on 10 basis, 10 important points, so that you can find the difference between these two courses. Okay, Amma, got it?
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome, Amma. Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
can BCom students can do MCA?
Okay, sir.
Yes, very good doubt, Amma. For that purpose also I have prepared, I said, but those students who have studied MEC at intermediate level and completed BCom course at degree level, they are eligible for MCA. But without studying mathematics at inter level or degree level, they are not at all eligible for MCA. If you have completed MEC at intermediate level, if you have completed BCom, then you are eligible for MCA.
Sir,
Got
sir,
my
thank
point?
you, sir.
Welcome, Mama.
Sir, sorry for disturbing you.
No problem.
Our AGO, sir, Academic Guidance
sorry,
Officer,
madam.
Dr. Tiruvengalachari, sir, has joined the session, sir. Now I request today's chief guest, Dr. Tiruvengalachari, sir, Academic Guidance Officer, Commissioner of Collegiate Education. Sir, on this occasion, I welcome you and I request you to please enlighten the students, and sir is also a commerce faculty. So I request sir to please address the students on this occasion, sir.
Madam,
I request Gajendra sir, please brief about
Remove my
it, sir.
PPT, sir, first. Good evening, Anna. Chari Bhaiya, good evening.
good evening, sir. Good evening. Welcome to Academic Guidance Officer Garu and my beloved friend, A.D. Chari. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are,
Yes, sir, and stop screen sharing, sir.
Yes, sir. Kindly stop my screen sharing, sir.
Mallikarjun, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Maranadi, sir, please stop the screen sharing.
Okay, sir.
Mallikarjun, sir.
Sir, please remove.
Stop screen sharing, sir.
Yeah. Is it stopped, madam?
No, madam. It's Maranadi, sir. You have to stop the screen sharing.
Yes, sir. I have stopped now. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Good evening, one and all. Good evening to respected Principal Dr. P. Balabhaskar Garu and our in charge Department of Commerce, Dr. Ratna Prabhakar Garu, and my friend Dr. Mallikarjun and Jansi Madam, Dr. Sridhar Garu, and all my colleagues in the Department of Commerce. Good evening, all. And it really gives me immense pleasure to introduce my beloved friend, Dr. D. Tiruvengalachari, sir. He has a vast experience, about almost more than 25 years of teaching experience. And Sir has completed his post-graduation in commerce and even business management. He did his MPhil and PhD in strategic management from Kakatiya University, Warangal. Presently, Sir is serving as an academic guidance officer at the Office of Commissionerate of College Education, Nampally, Hyderabad, under the commissionership of Sri Navin Mittal IAS Garu. And before, Sir worked as assistant professor at Kakatiya Government Degree College, Hanmakonda. And Sir also worked as a principal, FAC, Government Degree College, Parkal. Coming to Sir's feathers in a scar, cap, Sir guided 4 MPhil scholars, and he also published 35 research papers in all Indian and international journals with the ISSN number of reputed. Sir also participated and presented research papers in more than 80 national and international seminars and conferences. And Sir published articles, almost 45 articles in the edited books with ISBN. And he has organized 3 national seminars and many workshops. And Sir participated and presented a paper in the international conference held at Dubai and Sri Lanka, and he has international exposure. Sir also chaired as a technical session in various national and international conferences held in different places in India and abroad. Sir co-authored 21 academic textbooks for UG and post-graduation courses. He also edited 3 books with ISBN in the areas of higher education. And Sir also completed minor research projects sponsored by the University Grants Commission, New Delhi, in the year 2013. And Sir has so many awards, to mention few. And recently he was given the State Best Teacher Award by the Government of Telangana in 2021. And Sir also received Best Teacher Student Study Project Awards in Yuvatharangam 2015 and 17. And is a Best Teacher State Award in Commerce from a Commission of College Education in 2017. And recently in 2021, Sir received the Best Teacher Award given by the Global Education Summit in 2021. And about this, and I welcome Academic Guidance Officer, Dr. Trivengalachar, sir. Please address our students, sir. And most 170 students have registered in this program, sir. And Malla Reddy, sir, briefed all the syllabus. And this program is going to continue for 10 days, sir, daily from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And all the resource persons are also given in our flyer. And I also thank all the resource persons who agreed to and who came forward to take their sessions in their field. And I welcome you, sir. Please address the students and all.
So, Gajendra, one submission before address of our AGO, sir.
Sir, tell me.
I would like to invite our AGO, sir, Dr. D.T. Tiruvengalachari Garu. Sir has given a good opportunity for us, for the Department of Commerce, for initiating this particular program, intensive coaching. Thank you, sir, on behalf of the staff of City College as well as the students, and on behalf of myself, I thank you very much for giving this opportunity to give an intensive program for the PG free coaching for entrance examinations to give a good knowledge to the students to face the national as well as the state and central university examinations. And being a commerce faculty or being a commerce professor, you know very well that how the commerce subject nowadays it is taking a good choice of the students. Definitely, we all thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. And thank you, one and all. Now I request our AGO, sir, to give the address to the students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Esteemed Principal of the college, President of the program, Dr. Balabhaskar Garu, Head of the Department, Dr. Ratan Prabhakar, sir, Friends from the Commerce Department, Mallikarjun sir, Jansi Madam, Brother Gajendra Babu, and other colleagues from the Government City College, and today's resource person, my friend Dr. Malla Reddy, and dear student friends, very good evening, one and all. At the outset, I really apologize myself for being delayed as I was traveling to Hyderabad. So very sorry. Actually, I was called to join in the inaugural session, but I'm concluding the program with my remarks. So very happy that this is the commerce MCOM entrance coaching is another jewel of government college. Government city college has been doing many innovative activities and conducting programs right from the college. Sir, so as sir has worked with our beloved commissioner, sir knows the quality pinch what the commissioner sir is having in mind. So I'm really happy to associate myself with this. Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Thank you. So really happy to associate myself with this grand inaugural program of MCOM entrance examinations. Probably this is the right time that the college has taken a move to impart coaching, an intensive coaching for MCOM students. Because probably if you take around 25 to 30% of the students who are pursuing and admitting in all the government degree colleges belongs to commerce fraternity. Day by day, year by year, the strength of the commerce has been increasing. Even the commissioners is also giving and treating all the courses equally. Adding computer subjects in the commerce has changed the lives of the commerce students. For the last 4 years, we have been seeing that the outcome or output of the commerce students and their settlement with reference to placements as well as the career achievements is showing that is giving fruits of our commissioners' innovations, we can say. Similarly, the students who have joined in this platform are really fortunate enough because we have strong, because I've seen the brochure yesterday when Gajendra sir has shared me. Allied people from the senior academicians from the entire state, they have chosen. Like Mallareddy, because the program has started with Mallareddy, because the friends like Mallareddy, Mallikarjun, Gajendra and other friends from different parts of the state in various colleges working as assistant professors and associate professors are well versed and they know the depth of the commerce content. That is why it is very easy to share the knowledge within the very short period of time. Really, this coaching will give you real insights to the students so that we can, as Balabhaskar sir told, that this may lead you to get seats in the prominent universities, including central universities. I hope so. As far as the commerce opportunities with reference to commerce in field are concerned, people say that commerce has equal opportunities, but I don't accept that commerce has wider opportunities than any other discipline. Being not only it is not that I belong to commerce fraternity. If you want to take any other course like medicine or engineering or any other programs, naturally it requires some amount of investment as well as amount of time and effort that requires. But with little amount of investment of time as well as money, we can reach as well as we can cross the expectations of any other professionals. Probably Mallareddy might have told that we have 3 great professions, that chartered accountancy as company secretaryship. The commerce student is simultaneously pursuing post-graduation like MBA or M as well as you can also pursue, can take the route towards chartered accountancy or cost accountancy as well as company secretaryship. If the student who has pursued these programs or any one of these programs certainly may excel, jobs will come to their doorsteps instead of we search for the jobs. So that is the opportunities, brighter opportunities that the commerce students have. Similarly, the liberalization and 21st century reforms is leading to the wider opportunities and scope for the commerce students. Like they can settle down as investment bankers, portfolio managers, financial analysts, data analysts, etc. So this is the market what exactly looking for. If you take the engineering graduates, either they can settle down in the core areas as well as either in IT areas. But wherever there is a company, wherever there is a corporate enterprise, certainly there is a need for financial analyst and financial manager. Without financial manager, you cannot expect a company that is to be run. So if you keep other professionals aside, every organization, every multinational organization, even from small to big organizations, has certain scope for commerce graduates, right from the BCom to PG as well as other professional courses. Even commerce graduates can earn a better earnings comparatively, as I told, other professions. Like CA and CMA professions, generally, they earn more than a doctor as well as more than a software engineer. Commerce professionals, once they join in the organization, they can occupy up to the director's position, because director finance is one of the confidential positions. Only if the financial manager can decide, he may turn the organization right from profit to losses or loss to profits. So that miracle can be done by the financial executives. That is why any management, they will keep hold on these financial executives in their strata. That is the lucrative opportunities that the commerce students or commerce graduates or commerce professionals that they have. Particularly when we are having interaction with our beloved commissioner, sir, being computer students, they are going to have a wider opportunity in the area of financial technologies, areas. Probably in the coming 1 or 2 years, within the Hyderabad, within the Telangana, 1 to 1.5 fintech jobs are going to come up in the Telangana state, in the Hyderabad city. So these are the wider opportunities. When the commissioner sir has become general from our commerce stream, particularly in the government colleges, every commerce faculty was just literally was in cry. Now we are understanding and realizing the real vision and real crux of the commissioner's decision. The same thing I was telling when Karimnagar ICW chapter was opening. Because if the BCom students want to equally compete with other disciplines, naturally the edge of computer must be there. So the association and the knowledge of computers must be there with reference to your finance. Your core finance, your core commerce, if it is added with the computer, automatically we can have a bright future. So that opportunity has been provided by our beloved commissioner. Automatically, we can expect a better career opportunities in the field of information technology as well as in the area of software. Not only these are, but in the core areas also. So that is why I request all the students to take the things very seriously. Take the opportunity that is being provided by the government city college and the entire commerce faculty of the government city college to take seriously. You put your sincere efforts on this platform. So try to interact with the teachers because they have vast experience as well as in academics as well as in the teaching field also. Most of the teachers, they have also authors of many textbooks of Telugu Academy as well as other private publications. That is why this is the better platform coming, this MSc free, free entrance coaching coming from government city college certainly is going to add value to the students' career. Another request and appeal from my side to the Department of Commerce of City College is try to look at the sustenance of the same program. Doing the program, starting the program may be easy, sir, but continue, because we can take the example government college Warangal is known for its MSc entrance coaching. In the long run, for the last 15 years or so, they have been conducting MSc free entrance coaching. Students who are joining this MSc free coaching, they are getting seats IITs and NITs also. That is why the same thing is to be continued forever. So doing for 1 year or 2 years is very simple, but try to see that the faculty, wherever they may be, it should be continued on the banner of Government City College Department of Commerce. so that we can bring that particular brand. Department of Commerce of Government City College means it is known for its MCOM entrance examination. Try to bring that brand to this college and department. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. All the best to the students. Hope that you will get seats in central universities as well as most prestigious universities of Telangana state. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. In spite of hectic schedule today, you attend the program. Thank you. And Malikan sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I request Malikan sir to give vote of thanks.
Respected today's chief guest, AGO, Commissioner of College Education, Dr. Tiruvengajari sir, our beloved principal Balabhaskar sir, our department head Ratna Prabhakar sir, and program convener Gajendra Babu sir, Jansi ma'am, and Sridhar sir, Jaya Kagada ma'am, Shirisha ma'am, all other faculty members on behalf of, and a very important person, today's hero is Mallareddy sir. Thank you, sir, Mallareddy sir, for accepting our invitation within the span period. And first of all, I would like thanks to our principal sir for giving the opportunity to propose vote of thanks. We are Department of Commerce is very grateful to our AGO sir for accepting our invitation and giving the valuable inputs and also gracing the inaugural program. And I wholeheartedly thanks to our principal sir for sparing his almost 1.5 hour time, even it is Sunday, for giving his valuable time and knowledge informative for gracing this program. And also I thanks to our head Department of Commerce, Ratna Prabhakar sir, giving his valuable inputs. And also we follow, AGO sir, we follow your instructions, and we'll assure you sir, in future also the Commerce Department known for MCOM coaching. And we have MCOM course also. So in your suggestions we follow, we see sir within 2-3 years, every year is a batch, continuous batch will follow. And we also try to prepare the material also for MCOM coaching sir. MCOM material also in syllabus wise. This year we started for the classes. Next year, topic wise also some materials we provide for students. Sir. And thank you for technical support, Gajendra Babu sir. And all the states of Telangana, around 170 people, 150 students joined. And today, sir, more than 110 students are joined. And today the session is over. Tomorrow, I request all the students, tomorrow you can join the same time, 7 o'clock. And tomorrow's session is financial accounting by Mallareddy sir. I request all please in time. Thank you one and all for attending the program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Balabhaskar sir. Thank you very much, sir. I am Dr. Mallareddy.
Thank you, Mallareddy. Thank you very much for sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. DT Chari sir. Thank you very much. Mallikarjun sir and Gajendra Babu sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Now I am closing this meeting, sir. Malikan sir, can I close the end of the meeting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you one and all once again. Thank you. Sir, AGO sir, thank you, sir. Chari sir.
Thank you. My pleasure.